Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening Google Maps and typing your origin and destination into the search bars. This gives precise routing coordinates. Once you see the directions button, tap it and choose the transit icon to prioritize buses. Make sure to select the correct date and time if you're planning ahead, because schedules change. This first step sets the system to show bus options instead of driving or walking, so you'll get relevant routes and estimated travel times immediately. Once you have bus suggestions, refine them by using filters, pick departure or arrival times, fewer transfers, or accessibility needs, because that tailors choices to your comfort. Look at each route card to compare total duration, number of transfers, and walking distance. These details help you choose faster versus simpler trips. Tap the preferred option to expand step-by-step directions, see stop names, platform details, and live departure times, so you know exactly when to arrive at your boarding stop. To finish, save the chosen route to favorites or add it to your home/work shortcuts so you can access it quickly next time. This speeds future planning. Once done, enable notifications for service alerts because buses run on schedules that change. If you encounter wrong stops or no routes, make sure to refresh the app and GPS, toggle airplane mode briefly, or download the offline map for the area. This often fixes stale data and restores accurate bus listings and live times.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.